I went on a Harbor Freight tool haul, little tool run, and picked up these 3 items. First item is the Drill Master cordless screwdriver. Comes with 4 bits, charger, cordless drill itself there. So I don't know, it's pretty decent. It's pretty cheap, $9.99. At least that's what I paid for it. So maybe, I don't know, I think that's the regular price. But anyway, it's just decent little tool. I got it mainly used at work to, speed up putting in little bolts and things that kind of repetitive, like handlebar stems. But the way it works there, you got a little toggle, that goes clockwise or counterclockwise depending on if you're threading something in or backing it out. So it's pretty intuitive after you use it a couple times, and it's kind of handy. It's sometimes, go a little too far on a bolt, it's easy just to back it out. If you're trying to get something that's a plate that you got to even out, it's kind of nice with that. It's got a little LED light here. It's either on or off. It's not like hit the trigger and it comes on or whatever. So that's a nice little feature. You just turn it on as you need it. Use it for a little flashlight, I guess, if you wanted. But it is, I don't know, sometimes I'm just handling it around, I accidentally turn that light on. So not a huge deal. It's pretty easy to spot when you do it, but it's the only downfall. I can see the little light, little cover there starting to get scratched up a little bit. And looks metal, but it's just the front nose piece there is just plastic. And, it's definitely got a little weight to it, so it feels like it's got, most of the internals are all metal. Feels pretty sturdy as far as that goes. But it's got a little charger there. The bits are held in magnetically, I guess, so not too difficult to get them in and out. And then I tried it out. This is my first little project, just putting together a little IKEA dresser, and it just works great for that. Threads, has just enough torque to thread all that stuff in, but it's not going to just blast through it and overdo anything. So it's definitely quicker than using just a normal screwdriver. And then this is what I, kind of the main reason I got it was to just doing stuff like this, taking little bolts out, putting handlebar stems. Just makes quick work of it. It is just a 1-speed. I kind of wish it was a 2-speed. So for this type stuff, just zipping them in, it was a little quicker. But whatever. I'm pretty happy with it so far. So the second item here is the Warrior 58-piece drill and driver bit set. Got the item there and item number. And it's got several little 1/4-inch random bits there, hex bits, SAE metric. It's got Torx bits, all the common Torx bit sizes, and got a super sweet little storage case there. I really like this case. I'd say it's definitely comparable quality-wise as far as the case to my DeWalt cases and things, and then it's actually a little easier to use. You can just flip the little end pieces there up and get your stuff out. Makes it easier to get it out and keeps it all in place. But anyway, you got 7 drill bits. Got a quick release chuck there, or I don't know. I did a little review on this one separately, so I'll put a little card here if you want to get more in depth with all the features and everything. But I needed some more drill bits, and then I needed some Torx bits to take to work with me for that little cordless screwdriver thing. So, and then just with all the other stuff, definitely a great little item for just your average homeowner if you just have a drill. Anyway, it was normally this thing is $14.99. I got it used a 25% off coupon, so it took it down to I think $11.24. So pretty good deal. Pretty happy with it. Been using it quite a bit, so hasn't let me down so far. Anyways, this was the last item. It's a little 18-inch magnetic strip. I don't know, pretty simple. Got 2 holes there that you bolted into, your workshop wall or a workbench, whatever. I used to have a couple of these. I actually had them on the side of a toolbox. They just would stick there, due to the magneticness of it. But I got it to mainly, I took the cordless screwdriver to work, and so I needed somewhere to put all my little bits. I didn't want to take my whole case. I wanted to just keep that at home, so works pretty nice for that. And I've got a few other of my own tools, my little P-handle, Pedro's Allen wrenches, and some other items there. But anyway, yeah, this thing cost me nothing because it was free. Got one of the free coupons with it, and so yeah, that's what it looks like there. Got it mounted up at work. Got my wrenches, my Park little pick tools, some of my little hex keys, and then some of my smaller hand wrenches there. So yeah, that's the basic gist of this little review. Hopefully you found it interesting. Anyway, if you're not already a subscriber, you might consider subscribing to my channel. And anyways, thanks for watching the video, and we will see you next time.